In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Booking.com to ChatGPT so you can search hotels, compare prices, find stays based on your travel needs, and plan trips without ever leaving your conversation. This integration turns ChatGPT into a personal travel assistant that pulls real data directly from Booking.com. Let's start with the setup. First, open ChatGPT. You can use the browser version or the desktop app. Both support app integrations. Once ChatGPT is open, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where ChatGPT's main settings and app management tools live. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Apps and Connectors. This section is the hub where you can browse, connect, and manage all third-party apps that work with ChatGPT. Every supported service appears here, including Booking.com. Scroll through the list until you find Booking.com. Click on it to open the connection window. You'll see a quick overview of what the Booking.com app can do inside ChatGPT, searching accommodations, filtering prices, comparing amenities, checking availability, and even helping you discover stays based on your preferences. Click Connect or Authorize. If you are signed into Booking.com, the connection happens instantly. If you aren't, you may be asked to log in and confirm that ChatGPT can access hotel search results on your behalf. Once the connection is complete, Booking.com is officially linked to ChatGPT. Now return to your main chat window. You can start using the Booking.com app immediately by typing natural prompts like, Booking.com, find me a hotel in Paris under 150 per night. Show me family-friendly stays in Dubai for next weekend. Find a beachfront resort in Bali with great reviews. Compare hotels in New York near Times Square. ChatGPT will now use the Booking.com integration to pull real hotel listings and summarize them for you. You'll see prices, ratings, amenities, and links to book your stay, all without leaving the conversation. You can also follow up with questions like, which one has free breakfast? Sort these by price. Show me only places with a pool. ChatGPT refines the results as you go, turning the whole experience into a simple conversational travel search engine. And that's it. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon in the bottom left, go to Settings, open Apps and Connectors, choose Booking.com, authorize it, and then return to your chat to start planning your trip through ChatGPT.